Today we're going to make risotto with arboria rice. Now I thought arboria was a planet in Flash Gordon, but apparently it's a type of rice and we should use it. You should also watch Flash Gordon. I was 10 years old when I saw that film, and even then Princess Aura was, yeah, memorable. So here we go, chicken risotto. I've prepared all my ingredients in advance, like chopping up the onions and the chicken and the passata and stuff like that. Add in a good couple of glugs of olive oil, and I'm going to fry my onions for about 5 minutes until they're lovely and soft. Okay, it's 5 minutes later, and we are going to add the chicken and get this cooked up. This chicken is cut up real small, so it's not going to take too long to cook. And now we can add our arboria rice. And we'll cook this for a couple of minutes. The next stage is add in our passata and our vegetable stock. Now I think passata is really expensive for what it is, because I found out that it's actually just sieved tinned tomatoes. So if you're price conscious like me, instead of spending a lot of money on passata, just get a tin of tomatoes and push it through a sieve. Save yourself some money. Okay, let's add those sieved tomatoes. Let's add that white wine. We'll let it simmer for a little bit. I used to think making risotto was hard work, but it's not. All you got to do is make sure that it doesn't burn at the bottom of the pan, and the rest will take care of itself. I'm going to add my chicken stock. I'm just going to do it a bit at a time, and I'm going to boil this until it's almost all absorbed, and then we'll repeat the process. Okay, what are we going to drink with this wine? Now, I've just come back from holiday and we were drinking Valpolicella, and I thought, hey, this is going to go great. I know it's a chicken risotto, but I'm going to go red. Italian red, Valpolicella. So the consistency we're going for the rice is it's cooked through, but it's just got a little bit of bite to it. So let's see how it is. Okay, it's hot, but it's gorgeous as well. Perfect. So let's take it off the heat. I'm going to add my butter now. Stir in my Parmesan cheese. And then add the parsley. And you have got a stunning risotto. Buon appetito.